Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to cancel Higgsfield AI subscription. First, go to the Higgsfield AI website and make sure you are logged into the account that has the active subscription. Now click on your profile icon from the top right corner of the screen. Here, click on Manage Account to open your account settings. Once you're in the account dashboard, click on Subscription from the left side menu. This section shows your current plan, billing information, and subscription details. Now scroll down until you find the Danger Zone section near the bottom of the page. Then click on Cancel Subscription. You may be asked to confirm your decision or provide a reason for canceling. Follow the on-screen instructions to continue. After confirming, your subscription cancellation request will be processed. Depending on your plan, you may continue to have access to paid features until the end of your current billing period. Once the cancellation is complete, check for a confirmation message or email to make sure the subscription has been successfully canceled. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.